Welcome to Fitness Pyramid, and today we're gonna cook pork curry. So let's have a look on the ingredients. We have some sort of spices, and then we have chopped coriander leaf, bay leaf, and we have down here chopped chili. Then we have taken one potato in order to keep gravy thick. Then we have down here capsicum chop, and we have here curry leaf, and this is like ginger garlic paste homemade. Then we have down here tomato chopped. We have taken a bit of curd. Down here we have onion chopped, and the main thing we have here the pork. Well guys, let's start cooking. We have hit the cooker here. We don't want to get stick because we'll be cooking it in completely low flame. So we don't want our curry to get stick. So we have taken a thick cooker. So let's pour half of a cup of oil. And then we slowly let the oil get heat completely. Then we'll slowly start putting our ingredient. Less oil because we already have a fat in pork, like as you can see here. Because this is gonna melt and probably it's completely become oily. So let's start putting onion first. And then we have chili. Some coriander powder here. Then some masala. Curry leaf. Now our onions and chilies is got brown, so we'll be putting your capsicum. the entire spices and ingredients. We have just left a couple of things. So before that, let's the meats get cooked properly. So we'll put the cover now and let it cook properly. So see, as you can see, the pork is cooking tasty and deliciously. Let's wait for some time, then we'll put some salt, and then we have a tomato left. At the end we'll put the potato as well. So we'll pour tomato now. Cooked until the tomato gets completely squeezed and melted. So it's almost cooked. Our tomato is completely melted now, so we'll put our final ingredient, tomato, it's potato, and just, it's my bad. So now it's time to put salt. We'll take 1.5 spoon. This size. Okay. And quarter. Okay, that's enough. And we'll let it cooked in low flame only until the potato gets cooked. Then we'll have to put little bit, half cup of water, so we can have some gravy on the curry. We're closing again. In the meantime, I'm cooking rice as well. You can see it is until the curry gets cooked. By the time the rice also will be ready. Okay, so we'll now put 1 cup of water. Last but not the least, so guys, our pork curry is ready. As you can see,